Hello guys, welcome back to Viology. Well, today I am bringing you into another space and a home that I am going to have ready for the spring. So if you want to know where this area is, stay tuned. Welcome to Viology. So guys, where is this area? Well, it is right up here on our staircase. It is, I consider it our staircase table, but I've been told it's an entryway table also. So I will be decorating this for the spring, summer. This table I did build myself. Also guys, to build this table, the table, if I'm not mistaken, is 76 inches long. So it's a big girl. She's a big girl. But I created so when we move and I have an entryway, I can still use it because we have a tri-level on our staircase. So guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you in to show you some of the items that I have. And I think I'm going to do probably 2 different ways to style this table. So if you're ready, let's go. Okay guys, so this is the table. And I am going to keep these lamps here, and I'm keeping the mirror. You can see my shadow. Hi. I'm going to keep this mirror here. For some odd reason, this mirror just works. I was thinking about changing the color of the mirror of the surroundings. I'm not quite sure yet. But anyway, this is the table. When I say it's a try, you come here, you step up, then you go up that way. But whenever we move, I can change this to the same type of lumber and make this the same leg length. So this is the table, guys, and I did paint it black. So let me show you the items. Okay, guys, these are some of the items. Not sure what I'm going to be using and what will be done and left at the end. So these are new. These are what I got for Mother's Day. These are new. They were a Mother's Day gift also, but I had them now for about a week. Of course, you remember my horse. These 2 came from Ross Department Store last year sometime. This came from Home Goods. These books are from the Dollar Tree. This it's not a pineapple. What is it called, guys? Oh, brain fart. It came from Goodwill about 4 years ago. I have some pampas grass here. I have a gold bowl. This is also another ginger jar that I got from Ashley Furniture. This lantern definitely is going to be gone. I'm not going to put the lantern back up. And also here I have 2 bowls, and that flower pot came from Walmart. This is also a picture that I did myself. So these are the items, guys, that I will be working with. So let's get busy.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride the all night, working in the middle of the sun. I wanna ride the all night, working in the middle of the sun. Let's take this overboard now. I want you to feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride the all night, working in the middle of the sun. I wanna ride the all night, working in the middle of the sun. I wanna, ooh, baby, I love your stroke. Let's take this.
Okay guys, this is look number 1. So I have the flowers here, the circle of love here, and the lamps on the outside. I still have this box here. I got to do some covering to that. And on this level, I have the hearts, the 3 books. I'm not sure what you will call that, but it's beautiful. I got it from at home. And then I have the ginger jar. So this is the first one.
Take this overboard now. I want you to feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride the working in the melody. I wanna ride the working in the melody. Ooh, baby, I love your stroke. Let's take this.
So guys, with this look on the floor, there is absolutely nothing down on the floor on this look. So I usually have something on the floor in which I feel like this shelf is a little bit too crowded for me. So I'm going to change this up. I do have a birchwood on the stand. I think I'm getting ready to change it up because a lot of stuff that was here I do want to put up, but it's still not ringing out brightness for spring. So some of these dark decor pieces do need to be put up because it is not quite bright enough. So let's do some changing up.
I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh, yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. I took my pick up to the north, yeah. I get my life back from the source, yeah. And I say, oh, feel like your touch. It's the way you lift me up, yeah. And I'll be right here with you till I got my peaches out in Georgia. Like your touch. It's the way you lift me up, yeah. And I'll be right here with you till I got my peaches out in Georgia. I got my peaches out in.
So guys, this is look number 3 and I do like it. It's given more of a brighter look, but still I'm not completely sure. Let's go ahead and do a look number 4, and then you tell me which one you like, and then I will let you see the reveal of what it is that I did pick. So let's go ahead and do look number 4. Okay guys, off camera I did this one and I am so not sure. I'm not sure. I do like the rings and the horse because I changed the horse. I do like that. For some odd reason, this all needs to change. And as I'm looking, I don't like the red because I'm trying to bring in nothing but black, off-white, and the gray is fine because it's grayish black. That's perfectly fine with me, but the red book is really throwing me. So let me take this book off. Okay, so this is what I turn it into. I flip the book around and add that on. So I did it that way. Now I put that there, so it's lightening up the space. I still do like the horse there. And of course, I love the tulips that my kids gave me. So the tulips is what all 3 of my kids gave me for Mother's Day. And my dad gave me the Circles of Love, and the other one that I had sitting up here a few minutes ago, I did receive some more gifts and they did go in the trash because I wasn't interested. But this is, guys, I got to do something with the cards back there, but I think this is what I am definitely now interested in. So guys, really, which look did you like? I'm liking this look. I'm really liking this look. It's like when you walk in and you're going over, you see all of the same colors, but when you look up at the staircase, you are looking at the exact same colors. You're looking at the off-whites, you're looking at the whites, you're looking at the greens, you're looking at the blacks. and I incorporate a little bit of the gray to the bottom, which, guys, that horse, I've been meant to spray that solid black. And the circle of love, I think I'm gonna leave them as is, but the horses some way down the line will be solid black. So guys, I absolutely love this one. So you tell me, which look did you like? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? So guys, tell me the look that you like. Do you like this look? Should I take some more things off it? What do you think? I know on the other side, the chest box, I'm not sure what I will put there yet, but I think the chest box is about to lose its space. I might go ahead and add another shelf like this one on the other side because I still have the same materials. I have some left over. So I might go ahead and just add another shelf on there, which will make the other side so much lower. So I don't know about that. So I might just leave well enough alone. I do like it. It's just like, yeah, I like that. I like that. So guys, please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do share it out. Tell a neighbor, tell a friend. And you know, I always say at the end, I gotta go, but I will be back. And until the next time, guys, bye.